Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Bolt. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Before starting the review, I would like to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor, I'm just telling you about their amazing project. Now let's start the review. Dogland. Welcome to Dogland, your gateway to innovative crypto lending. You can also read their white paper from here. Dogland, the world's first loan giving dog. Here you can see table of content. It includes their introduction, mission and vision, key features of Dogland, technical framework, advantage, smart contract, the impact of Dogland on the cryptocurrency landscape, token purchase and claim process for Dogland, security and compliance, tokenomics, and conclusion. First, we have introduction, greetings and welcome to the Dogland, where we are introducing the exciting realm of dog coin lending. We will delve into Dogland's whimsical world in this article, learning about its creative lending model and its outlook on a financial future full with memes. Dogland's mission is to make finance enjoyable and approachable for anyone. Dogland is a community-driven platform that celebrates everything dog-inspired by the meme's essence. It's more than just a loan service. We will go over the essential for Dogland in this white paper, including its special feature and creative multi-chain strategy. Dogland guarantees a seamless and connected lending experience unlike any other by utilizing the power of many blockchains such as Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Solana, and more. We will also talk about how Dogland might affect the larger cryptocurrency landscape and how it might influence decentralized finance in the future. So gather your Dogecoin and prepare to travel the world using Dogland. One dog at a time, together we will unleash the power of memes and transform the lending industry. Here you can see further more details from here. This is an amazing white paper. Now back to the website. Here you can see their pre-sale. Their pre-sale started 9 days, some hours and some minutes. Here you can see that how you can buy these tokens. Here you can write your wallet address which you want to write, then connect your wallet and then receive Dogland tokens. This is powered by Web3 payments. Next we have their features. Decentralized lending. Experience true decentralization with our peer-to-peer lending platform. Borrower and lenders interact directly without intermediaries, ensuring lower fees and better terms. User-friendly interface. Dogland is designed with simplicity in mind. Our intuitive platform makes it easy for users of all experience levels to navigate, invest and borrow. Security and transparency. Powered by blockchain technology, Dogland guarantees transparency in all transactions. Smart contract automate, minimizing risk and eliminating the need for trust. Community governance. Token holders have a say in the platform's future, participate in voting and proposal to shape the direction of Dogland. Here you can see that how you can buy these tokens. Connect your wallet. To purchase Dogland, you need to connect your Web3 wallet. You can do this at the top of the page in our pre-sale platform. Participate in pre-sale. Visit our pre-sale platform at the top of the page and follow the instruction to purchase Dogland token using your preferred cryptocurrency. Receive token. Once the pre-sale is complete, your Dogland token will be available to claim on claim day. More details on this will be provided once the pre-sale is over. Next we have their tokenomics. Here you can see their total supply and their funds from here. Pre-sale allocation 20%, development funds 20%, staking and reward 10%, marketing 15%, team and advisor 20%, ecosystem fund 10%, exchange 5%. Next we have their roadmap. Phase 1, pre-sale and token launch. Initiate token pre-sale, launch lending Dogland token on major exchange, start community building initiatives. Phase 2, expansion and enhancement. Expand supported cryptocurrency, introduce mobile app, roll out advanced feature like collateral management and multi-currency lending. Phase 3, platform development. Finalize smart contract development, launch testnet for beta testing, conduct security audits. Phase 4, platform launch. Release Dogland platform to the public, introduce initial lending and borrowing features, implement staking and reward programs. Next we have the frequently asked question. What is Dogland and how does it work? Dogland is a community-driven platform that allows users to lend and borrow Dogland across multiple blockchain networks. By utilizing a unique multi-chain strategy, Dogland ensures a seamless and connected lending experience. Like this, here you can see furthermore frequently asked question. You can also read the frequently asked question. Investing in cryptocurrency involves significant risk and may result in the loss of all your capital. Always conduct thorough research before making an investment decision. Here you can see their social platform like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for latest update, and you can also join them on Twitter. You can follow their Twitter account. You can also check their posts from here. Here you can see their followings and their followers, and furthermore post from here. This is an amazing project. Now I am showing you their articles. Article 1. 3 reasons why Bitcoin and Dogland are expected to be long-term millionaire maker. As we delve into the intricacies of Bitcoin and the emerging potential of Dogland, it becomes evident that these technologies may hold the key to creating long-term opportunities of wealth generation. Understanding the fundamental principles and underlying mechanism behind these systems is essential for grasping their potential as millionaire maker in the ever-evolving landscape of digital finance. Like this, here you can see further more articles from here, like their article 2, article 3, and furthermore. This is an amazing project. Now I am showing you their medium, Dogland official. Dogland token frequently asked question, how to earn with Dogland. Welcome to the Dogland community. Below you will find an answer to some of the most frequently asked questions about how you can earn with. Here you can see most frequently asked question that how you can earn on it. You can also read their questions from here. This is an outstanding project. Now I'm showing you their staking. The staking yield is more than 50,000% annually. The reason is because they have just launched the pre-sale today. Welcome to Dogland staking. The distribution of Dogland token reward will occur at a rate of $9,512 Dogland tokens per Ethereum block. These rewards will be disbursed over 1 year and will be claimable once claim goes live. Here you can see their staked balance, percent of pool, estimated reward, current reward, and total reward. Next we have their total supply. You can also check their total supply from here. This is an outstanding project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.